flow, and whose ballet not yet know. Sitting in my favorite chair, leaning back, feet in the air, staring through the window glass into the future, past the past. Life is a trip, beginning, middle, and an end. Starts like infinity, everything a possibility. Life's baggage weighs me down. Sometimes it feels like I might drown. Think I should drop all of this weight, move forward, no debate. The end has never seemed so near. That clicking clock sounds very clear. Truth only ever goes one way. The piper always gets his pay. Life is a trip, beginning, middle, and an end. Starts like infinity, everything a possibility. However long the trip that's left, I wish to travel free ahead. A song to sing and share with friends, a heart that's full until the end. If life is a trip, I'm on the short end of the stick. Leaving need not be sad if the journey made you glad.